Hello guys, good evening. Thank God, nandito kami ngayon sa Smith, Turkey. Thank the Lord na karoon ng pagkakataon ng oras. So this is the Smith, Turkey. Oras natin ngayon ay 9:30 in the evening. A little bit cold here. Hindi masyadong matao dito sa lugar na to. Smith, Turkey. Ito yung grocery. Walang katao-tao. Maybe because it's cold here. Look at that. So hanap kami ng restaurants, something to eat. So, dito yan guys, again sa Smith, Turkey. Yan. Gusto mo magpagupit, oh. Look at that. I don't know how much. Thank God. Pag-relax ng konti. Smith, Turkey. Alright, so we are here. Whoa. Ito may konting restaurant dito. Alright guys, that's all for tonight. We'll see you later. Kakain mo siguro kami. Alright, God bless everyone. Alright, Smith, Turkey once again. God bless and bye bye.